Thank you for choosing our product. In just the next few minutes, we'll guide you through its simple setup and use. After opening the package, you'll find one carbon monoxide alarm, the instruction manual, one battery compartment cover, and a battery. Before installing the battery, please remove the yellow warning sticker inside the battery compartment. This sticker includes a quick start guide to help you get started easily. Installing the battery is simple. Simply pay attention to the plus or minus polarity, and you're all set. When you hear a beep sound, that's the alarm saying hello to you. You'll see the red, yellow, and green lights light up one by one, finally settling into a gentle green breathing light. This means it's ready to protect you 24/7. Since it's battery powered, you can take it with you, whether you're heading to work or traveling. For longer lasting use, we recommend powering it via a 120 volts AC outlet. Simply flip up the foldable plug on the back, insert it into an AC socket, and once the green light turns on, your alarm is good to go. For regular maintenance, we recommend testing your alarm weekly. Simply press and hold the Test Silence button. You'll see the indicator flash red and hear 4 short beeps every 5 seconds until you release the button. If the alarm goes off on its own with a steady red light and continuous beeping, first, don't panic. This means it's detected carbon monoxide. Immediately open windows to ventilate and check for potential CO sources. If it's safe to do so, press the Test Silence button to mute the alarm for 5 minutes. In a serious emergency, look for a fast blinking red light, a loud, uninterrupted alarm, and a sound that won't stop when you press the button, which indicates dangerous CO levels are present. Here's what to do. Stay calm, but act quickly. Get everyone outside to fresh air right away. Once you're safe, call emergency services. You may have noticed that the alarm's indicator light comes in 3 colors, each representing a different status. Solid or slow blinking green light, that means everything's working perfectly. On AC power, the green light stays steadily lit with a gentle pulse. On battery power, the green light blinks briefly every 40 seconds. Yellow light? Usually a sign of a low battery or that the alarm is nearing the end of its life. If it's blinking and beeping, it's best to check if maintenance or replacement is needed. And as mentioned earlier, a red light with beeping indicates carbon monoxide detection. Please open windows to ventilate, move to a safe area, and check the source once it's safe. However, alerts have a habit of coming at the worst times, don't they? When your alarm beeps with a fault warning during sleep or busy moments, just press Test Silence to pause notifications for 10 hours. This gives you time to handle it when you're ready. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You're now fully equipped to use your alarm with confidence. Should you have any questions, our customer support team is always here to help. May it stand guard over your family's safety, providing peace of mind for all the years to come.